To fix the Steam error, missing file privileges, start by completely closing Steam and reopening it as an administrator. To do this, exit Steam by selecting Steam, and then exit. Next, reopen Steam by right-clicking on it and selecting Run as Administrator. This may resolve the issue. If the problem persists, navigate to Steam Settings by selecting Steam, and then Settings. From there, go to the Storage section and use the built-in Repair feature by selecting the three dots and then Repair Library. This process will quickly run and may resolve the issue. If the error continues, try clearing the download cache by going to the Downloads section in Steam Settings and selecting Clear Download Cache. Be aware that this will restart Steam and update some files after clearing the cache. If the issue remains, go to your library, right-click on the game that's experiencing the error, and select Properties. From the Properties window, select Install Files, and then Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will verify the game's files and fix any issues. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try uninstalling and reinstalling the game. To do this, right-click on the game, select Manage, and then Uninstall. After uninstalling, go back to the store, find the game, and reinstall it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the missing file privileges error in Steam.